Welcome to another video, and today we are going to learn how to close a quiz in Google Classroom. So let's go. So we are in our email, and then you go to Drive. So when you go to Drive, you are going to look for that particular quiz that you want to close. So I'm just going to look for a quiz quickly. So let me choose this one. I'm just randomly choosing one just to show you. So on that particular quiz that you had created, you will have questions and responses, right? So you go to responses. When you go to responses, you will see this option say accepting response. You are going to turn that off. So when you turn it off, you will see not accepting responses, and then you close that quiz. That's basically it, and then you are out. Thank you so much for watching.